Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to be doing three things in today's video. We're going to start off the video by taking a look at stock futures. We're going to be jumping over into the M1 Finance portfolio, taking a look at the Roth IRA, taking a look at the one-week performance, what stocks were up, what stocks were down, and the overall performance for the portfolio. Also, we're going to be jumping into the activity, taking a look at what stocks paid out last week, where those dividends were reinvested into. I did have a few instances of some dividends getting paid out, which was reinvested last week. And third, we're going to be going over what stock I am buying this week. I do have one stock in mind that I'm going to be buying. It is coming up on ex-dividend towards the end of the month, and I want to load up on this position where I believe it's at a good valuation, and I believe it'll benefit me into the future. So if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I cover the stock market, dividends, real estate, personal finance. If you do enjoy any of those topics, I would highly appreciate if you do hit that subscribe. If you do enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, would like to let me know what stocks you are buying this week or have bought recently, drop it into that comment section. I do read and reply to all your comments, and I do really appreciate all the feedback that I have been getting. I like reading and replying to all the comments, the questions, and if there's some topic you would like to have discussed here, whether it's about the stock market, dividends, real estate, or personal finance, let me know in the comment section and I will read and reply to it, and I'll maybe make a video over the topic. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the video here. We're going to again start over taking a look at the stock futures, which are all looking pretty positive. Now, this could be due to what's going on with China right now. It looks like China has created their own sort of NASDAQ, which has one stock in there that's soaring over 500%, but we can see here that the actual markets over there are actually down over 1%. So I'm not sure how that'll play out this Monday. Right now we have the NASDAQ almost up about 1/4%, with the Dow Jones and the S&P up about 0.15%. So in the morning we may gap higher, and then as earnings comes out here on Monday, the market may have a bit of a sell-off, just with those sorts of sort of pressure, and really just what happens with earnings. Are earnings going to be positive? Are they going to go higher in the future? Or are they going to come out poor, missing revenue, missing earnings, guiding lower? That will affect the market Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. So let me know in the comment section right now, what stocks are you looking forward to reporting earnings? Are you looking forward to anything this week reporting earnings? I think we should cover some earnings here in the future, but not in this video. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the M1 Finance account. Now, this account has came down here slightly over the last few weeks. I believe I was about 18 or so percent higher, return total wise. It has pulled back to now 15.38%. We've lost a bit of our market gains, and that's completely fine. As long as we're putting up some sort of return here for the year, I believe that we're going really strong this year. Last year, we were flat from the high of January 2018 until December 25th of, December 31st of 2018. It was basically flat across the board. We had made a total of maybe 1 or 2% there for the entirety of the 2018 market. Now, 2019, it has been on an uphill battle the whole time. Very little downside this year. So it's really weird to see the whole market performing this way. And market gains, 843 earned dividends. Those earned dividends are always paid into the account. I get to keep those. That is liquid cash I can buy more shares with, reinvest, and build up my dividend income that gets continuously larger week after week. So just really nice to see here. Now, the 1 week performance here, we are down 1.43%. We actually performed worse than every single index out there. The S&P down 1.23. The Dow Jones did the best last week, down 0.61, and the NASDAQ in second place, down 1.18. So our portfolio actually got slammed last week. And if we look at the performance of this portfolio, we have many stocks down 5% there. So essentially, it's one of those toss-aways, $50 in here. I'll probably sell it once it becomes positive. I'll probably kind of sell it from the portfolio. I don't, in the future, it should recover fine. Now, Cardinal Health down 5%, Lowe's down 5%, SPG, lots of real estate investment trusts, those REITs, they pulled back hard last week. I don't think I had any positive reads here. I had SPG down nearly 4%, Essex Property Trust down, down 3.27, Tanger Factory Outlet. This is a new one I've recently been adding to the portfolio. I really wanted it to come down last week, and it performed exactly what I wanted it to. It came back and pulled back, and this is the actual stock I'm going to be targeting here in here just a minute. Lockheed Martin, and just many others. Look at this. I had every single stock here within the portfolio down except for just 6. Pfizer, Avery Dennison, Eaton Vance, Medtronic, Altria, very nice for the week last week, and Kellogg's. How many stocks in your portfolio were positive versus negative? I saw a lot of investors leaving me comments over in the Facebook groups, over on Instagram, that their portfolio performance for the week, and I really appreciate the feedback, that sharing of knowledge, and just cohesion of other investors in the community. So I like to see that. So 6 out of all these positions were positive. Now activity, M1 Finance has changed the way that the activity sort of shows here. It's kind of interesting the way that they've designed this. So here it gives you a breakdown, usually about a 1 month breakdown here. If you want to go back further, you'd have to add some dates in here in order to change your dates here. But we had the last week, which was the 15th through the 19th, 2019. So here on Monday, I set my 2 buys. I did my deposit there on Monday, and it went out there and purchased my 2 stocks that I wanted to buy, which were Caterpillar and Tanger Factory Outlets. Caterpillar went ex-dividend on Friday. I didn't really want to buy any more of that specific company other than on Monday. And then I received dividends here from Cardinal Health, $4.89. I had Main Street Capital pay out 80 cents. I had WP Carey pay out $7.77. Total of all these dividends, $4.89, 80 cents, and $7.77, I had $13.46 sitting in the account. What did I do? I said, hey, I want to really add into this position. It was down on the week. I wanted to go ahead and average into it. I'm going to be averaging into it here on this video as well. This is a brand new company that I've recently added into my portfolio. I believe over the long term, this will kind of turn around, or it will kind of trend for a while, kind of finding its bottom. I believe it did have a double bottom here recently, and it'll kind of wave within this area and then proceed higher depending on how earnings kind of plays out. And that's something I'm kind of looking forward to within this company. But $13.46 moved into this company, and that was my last buy last week. So overall, we can see here, now this is the overall performance of the actual, let's see if I can go to here and kind of zoom in just a little bit, of all the companies here. So these are all my positions, and of all my positions, I have 12 total that are negative. And my biggest loser right now in the portfolio is AbbVie. As far as equity, I'm down roughly 25% there in AbbVie. My average share price is at $88.36. Then Altria's right behind it, down 15.34. 3M down 9.32. Caterpillar down 6.56. Now, M1 Finance does not show Caterpillar. I don't believe it does. It does not show Caterpillar as being, actually it may show, Caterpillar down 6.52. Let's get something closer to 0. So Walgreens is showing up 0.91%. Inside here, it's showing negative 0.08%. That is because M1 Finance gives me the returns where it wraps the dividends that have been paid out within this company into the actual return, showing that it's positive here on the dashboard, but really in reality, equity-wise, it's down slightly. Those dividends that were paid out by Walgreens have probably been moved into other positions within the portfolio, and it just does not show up that way in the way that I'm tracking it. So that is that specific information. Now, dividends-wise, this portfolio started back quite a bit ago. We have came a long ways here since when I started this portfolio back on January 2018. We started with $5,500. We started with dividend income of $177.89. If we break that up monthly, let me bring up my calculator here. $177.89. That was our total 1 year dividend income that this portfolio would have created over a 12-month period, that would be on average $14.82. Now, fast forward to where we are right now in July 2019. Our dividend income now is $542.20. Break this over a 12-month period, we're getting on average about $45 every single month from this portfolio. And of course, every week, if we break this up by 4, that's a little over $10 on average per week. And it really has been about $10 every single week. I'm getting I'm getting dividends every week. And it's been really nice to kind of see that consistency. And this is just a brand new portfolio. You guys here on the channel, I've tracked the performance, I've tracked the dividends growth, I've tracked every stock trade that I've made every single Monday here over the past year. Every single Monday, just buying more, buying more, buying more, averaging down, dollar cost averaging into the portfolio. And it's kind of showcasing it all here within the Monday videos and also on the 1 month recap. So the very last piece of the pie, or the thing here that we're going to be doing today, is buying our stock. Now, I don't believe we're going to have any more dividends roll in here on Monday. I am doing my deposit of $115.38. So what I'm going to be doing today is basically just targeting one company, and that is Tanger Factory Outlets, ticker symbol SKT. I really wanted this one to come down slightly. I bought it at an average price of $16.45. It has actually came down and broke that $16 point at $15.99. So I'm hoping to buy this into that $15 range is what I was kind of pricing it at. And I wouldn't buy this one strictly for the yield, but this is just one of those, it's one of those stocks that it has a lot of positive, it's negative news here on the media, but positive around the members who use it. So around the facilities, it just constantly getting activity in business. So what I'm going to be doing here is specifically buying into this stock. Buy and sell orders are unavailable. So placing an order is currently unavailable. So, oh no. So let's see what's going to happen here. I may have to log back into M1 Finance here and then correct this. So on my other screen here, I'm going to go ahead and log in, and we have that pulled up. And let's see what happens here if we go ahead and redo this whole action again. So I'm going to go ahead and target Tanger Factory Outlets. I'm going to go ahead and hit buy sell, and I'm going to go ahead and punch in $125 and hit continue and confirm. Okay, that is I got it pending buy. There's no more issue now. I think what had happened there is I had gone into the view SKT details, and maybe that was the issue. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure what was causing the issue there, but by just bringing up another tab, logging, reloading M1 Finance, I was able to get through that error that had appeared there. So that is all I wanted to cover in today's video. If you guys are brand new to the channel, again, I cover the stock market, dividends, real estate, personal finance. If you have a topic or information you would like to have discussed here on the channel, drop it into the comment section. Let me know what stocks you are buying this week. Do you think the market will go higher, or do you think it'll go lower? And that's it. Hit the thumbs up. See you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.